Hi guys, welcome to Able Media. It's your girl with the charming smile, Choma of course. So today I want to do a quick introduction video. I want to make a get to know me video for you guys to know me better. I know to the old subscribers here, some of you guys will be like, who's this fine babe who I've been seeing on the screen? I'm here to let you know. And to the new subscribers, this is me sharing a few details about me so you get to know me better. My name's Ipo Choma Vivian Onya. I am from Umunumo, Ehimemba, no Imo State. I was born and brought up in Onitsha, Anambra State, and currently I am married to an Anambra man, Ihiala to be precise. Does that make me an Anambra woman? Let's just say I'm in between now, half emo, half Anambra, and I love it. Yes, I'm a businesswoman. I'm into beauty business. I'm also into confectionery and pastry business. I'm a part-time farmer and now a full content creator. Did you hear that? Full content creator. So that's it basically. I don't have a favorite color, but I love black and pink, green, depending on my mood. I love chicken and plantain. I'm just a girl that loves good food. That's it. If I'm to describe myself, I'll just say I'm an ambitious, unpredictable, lovable, sweet girl. Yes, and I plan to bring an amazing content to you guys. I plan to bring entertainment, things that are going to make this channel grow. You know, but some of us know, some of you guys know the backstory about this channel. Ebo Media is a household name. More the content we have been posting before now is more of adventure, travel, and since you guys know that the founder died trying to get content for this channel, we won't want to risk such for now, but it doesn't mean that we'll not be posting travel content. No, we'll just do within our capacity. We'll do content that are within our reach, without jeopardizing our safety. The country is not so safe right now, so we'll just do the ones that we can do. But Able Media is a household name, is a big brand that was trying to grow before the unfortunate happened, and that's why I am in the picture now. I'm trying to continue the good work he has started already. I am Abel's younger sister, the fourth among my siblings, and I'm going to channel the unwo to in me into this channel, like he will always say. You grew up in Onitsha, do like Onitsha babe. So I'm going to use my Onitsha babe vibes. I don't know, but I'm just going to give you guys the best. We're trying to continue the good work he has started. He lost his life in the cost of growing this channel, and we will not allow it to grow in vain. So that's why I'm here, to give you guys amazing content. So I'll be incorporating lifestyle content, entertainment content that has to do with business, finance, tutorials, marriage, just educative stuffs and things that will just make your day. And of course, travel and adventure. I promise you guys, I am not going to neglect that part. Once the country gets better, or once I found myself in an environment that gives me the opportunity to do that, I promise to give you guys back to back travel adventures. So I think that's it for now. So you guys will see more of this pretty face here. And to the subscribers and yet to subscribe members, this is me telling you that you will not regret following this channel. You are going to enjoy every moment you spend here. So do well to leave a nice comment if you really enjoy this and you are looking forward to seeing other amazing contents in this channel. Please drop a comment or like. Also do well to tell your friends about this channel. I can't wait to grow this community with you guys. This channel is not just about posting to generate likes and all that. I want to use this channel to grow a community of people that will support each other, love each other, and cherish each other, and enjoy each other. I just say that. So guys, thank you for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.